Hi, Sarah and Angela from Fine & Country. You join us here today at 64 Kenilworth Road in the sought after area of North Leamington Spa, within easy walking distance to the town centre and all of its amenities.
This is a rare opportunity to buy a unique detached bungalow with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a conservatory as well as a double garage and a beautifully landscaped private garden. Follow us and let's take a look inside.
We hope you've enjoyed the tour. If you'd like any further information or to book a viewing, please contact us on the details that follow.